Okay, so what I have here is a wrench organizing kit kind of thing. So you got some that come in 3. You have some that come in 1s. A brand sent me this to try out. They got little magnets on the bottom. They're going to kind of stick them to the surface. They're not super duper strong though, so don't expect them to stay upright or something like that. You wouldn't be able to mount these on the wall. Just going to kind of help it stick to the surface a little bit better. And if you need to add just an extra one, you have the 1, and you can add it just like that. Or, you can add the 3rd, depending on, make it fit one of my drawers is what I'm going to try to do. And you see I got these. I have a whole bunch of other wrenches in this drawer. I'm going to do my best to organize these with these wrench organizers. 15 millimeter. So you can see here, I got the 6 millimeter all the way up to the 17 with room to spare. They hold well. It's not moving a ton, but it does slide a little bit. Like I said, the magnets aren't super strong, so don't think it's going to hold these like on the wall or anything like that. But it will stop them from sliding around a little bit in your drawer. So that's it for these wrench organizers. Like I said, I got 6 through 17 here, and it came with a ton more. So you have a ton of slots available to organize multiple wrenches. I like them. They're quick. They're easy to use. They don't try to overcomplicate things. A thumbs up for me. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.